Hello students, how are you all? Happy New Year. I am your Ritesh sir. Uh, Today we are going to discuss the new chapter, that is water. It is chapter number 16 in your Bharti Bhavan book. So here we are going to discuss water. As you know, everything is made up of the five matter, that is air, water, fire, soil and sky. And in these five matter, water is also present. So water, by this you can understand the importance of water, means everything is having made up of water. Okay, so water, it is very important. It covers about 3/4 of the surface of the earth, means 71% is the globe is covered with water. So in different form, as you can see in the polar region area, that is completely freeze zone, right? You have seen that sea, oceans, whether it is slime water or the salty water, river, lake, pond. So there are the different water bodies. It is about 71% of the total area which is covered by water. Okay, in our day-to-day life, water, it is very essential for life. We cannot survive without water, right? We cannot survive without water. Water, it is used in many aspects. It is equally important for animal kingdom as well as the plant kingdom. It also very important to another functioning, another work also. If you can understand this, that we have to drink water for many reasons. We give water to the plant for in the form of irrigation. They also need water, but another work also is not possible without water. You have seen that when your mother is preparing chapati, she also puts water into the atta. When any construction of building, right? When any construction of building, the labor used to mix cement, sand, concrete with water. Otherwise, they will not mix properly. So water, it is very important for every aspect of the life. Here in this chapter, we are talking about water is essential for life. How? The first requirement is it takes part in the biochemical reaction. What is biochemical? Bio means biology. Biology means the botany and zoology. Means the plant kingdom. As you have seen that, you can see this equation. In the process of photosynthesis, what is the process of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plant prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll and water molecules. If water is not available, then photosynthesis will not take place and plant will not survive. So here in the presence of carbon dioxide and H2O, that is water. H2O, that is water. The chemical formula of water is H2O. Understood? Sorry. So, water is very essential for life by taking part in biochemical reaction. Another is by acting as a medium. If we do not drink water properly, then our digestive system cannot perform properly, right? This is one. As you know, our body is also having blood. Blood is the liquid, it is liquidity of blood. It's also depend upon the water molecules. What is the function of the blood? What is the use of blood? Blood is used in the transportation of nutrition as well as the gases. Right now, in blood, hemoglobin is present, and on hemoglobin this oxygen molecule carry and it goes through the whole body and it reacts with the oxygen, reacts with the glucose, which is after digestion it is in the level in the cell. Then it releases the energy, right now. So in the process of digestion, in the process of circulation, in the process of excretion, excretory system, it also works with the help of the water molecule. If we do not drink water properly, then these functions will get disturbed and our health will negatively affected in the absence of water, right? So this is the main use of the water. And another thing is that for us also, for plant kingdom also, for us it also works as a cooling system. For plant kingdom, that in the form of sweating it is a type of the system of our body to release the waste material, waste toxic material in the form of sweat. But in that, water is also available. So water maintains the coolness. Since our temperature, our human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, and in the summer temperature goes up to 40 degrees, 42 degrees, more than that. So by this cooling system, our body adjusts with this change in the atmosphere. Understood? So this is the most important thing, that it is a cooling system. In the plant kingdom also, in the plant kingdom, this is known as transpiration. Transpiration, it is a process of releasing the water molecules from the plant kingdom, by the plant kingdom, and the water, it is taken from the soil by the root. Right now, the importance of this cooling system, as I said, that our human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. As we go away, that in 42, 40, more than that, we feel the hotness, and then our for the adjustment of this climatic change, our body releases water molecules. What about the plant kingdom? Same thing happened with the plant kingdom also. Plant kingdom also release the water molecules, and when you during the playground, when you are playing in the ground, and after getting tired, you feel some unrest, then you used to go into the shade of the plant. Then you experience that there is coolness, you feel relaxed. How? Because of the transpiration, the environment near the plant, it gets low temperature in comparison to away from the plant. So this is the cooling system, which is very essential and important for the human beings as well as the plant beings. Right now, then many purposes are in the household activities, cleaning, washing, right? How we clean our important things, how you prepare food, dishes. It is not possible without the water. How you will take bath, how you will clean your house, clean your clothes, just because of the water. In the absence of water, it is not possible. And household activities, and then agricultural activities. In agriculture, the most important thing, irrigation. Irrigation, it is a process of the providing water to the plant kingdom, that is called irrigation. Understood? And farmer also used to dissolve the pesticides and spread in the farm to protect their plants, their crop from the pests. So it is another also important thing. In agricultural field, after the production, farmer used to clean the products like a potato, like in many vegetables, they have to clean up. Otherwise, all the soil particles will have to come in the market. So that it is difficult. So here also, not only for the irrigation, it is also for the cleaning system also they use in agriculture system. In the industrial system, the most important, the cleaning and washing. Next, to the cooling system, because during the process of the industry, they using the energy, they also release a lot of the heat. To maintain the temperature or environment cool, water is also useful for that. For the dissolving the things, water is also good solvent. So that water is very essential for the cleaning, for the washing, for the dissolving. So that water is essential for all aspects of the life. Right now? Understood? It is equally important for plant kingdom, animal kingdom, and another activities is also depend upon the water molecules. Next, state of water. State of water, basically it is three states of water: solid, liquid and gas. Ice is the solid form of water, liquid is water, and vapor is the gaseous form of the water. And these change of the state means interstate, it depends upon the change in temperature. As temperature rises up, solid convert into liquid, liquid convert into gases, right? And as this temperature getting down, the gas, that is vapor, condense, convert into liquid, and this liquid freeze and convert into ice. So solid, liquid and gas, these change in the state, interchange in the state, depend upon the change of temperature. Increase in temperature, solid convert into liquid, liquid convert into gas. Decrease in temperature, vapor convert into the liquid form, liquid convert into the ice or solid form. So these are the important things. Now the state of water is clear. Sources of water. Sources of water. Before sources of water, we should also discuss about the water cycle. Cycle, it is a circle, means endless process. Endless process. In this process, due to the presence of sunshine, the temperature, due to this temperature, the water present on the earth, it start evaporating, and at the high, it start condense at the low temperature. Then, after the dense cloud, it start the coming down as a rainfall. What the water, it is coming in the rainfall, but another fall, that is the snowfall, that is the hail, it is the ice, which convert into water, the rain water, when it convert into the ice form, it is just like a ball like, which is coming from the, I also enjoyed in my childhood, you also having enjoyed this. So that is called hail, snow, the water in the different form, that is called precipitation. That is called precipitation. If simple water rain, that is called rain, and either snowfall or hail, whatever it is called precipitation. Okay, so water cycle, it is a continuous and endless process. In this, water gets evaporated, condensed and precipitation. Get evaporated, condensed and precipitation. So this is the endless process. Okay, so by this is the reason of the rainfall. Another is the source of water. So the source of water is the two: groundwater, the flowing river, the lake, the pond, whatever you have seen, that is groundwater, which we can see, sea, ocean, whatever. And underground water, the water which is inside the earth, which we take with the help of motor or any instrument, right now, like a chapanal, whatever we take. So that is called groundwater, underground water. Understood? And the water available inside the earth, that is called water table. Clear? So now the pure form of water, the purest water is the rainfall water. Right now, condition is that the surrounding should be pollution free. If it is polluted, then it is dangerous, then it is called acid rain also, which we will study in the next classes. But here it is the acid rain is harmful definitely, but the purest form of water is the rainwater. Okay, so the excess amount as rainfall, two conditions is happening with this. One is flood, another is drought. It is the extreme condition. If the excess amount of water present in the river, right now, that is called the flood, which is very dangerous, which creates a disaster, and it badly affects the life. Right now, it badly affects the life, and the drought, when in any area the rainfall is less than 10 centimeter, is called the drought. It also badly affects the human life, because if water is not available, then nothing, no agricultural activity, temperature goes up. Okay, then how plants can survive, how we survive. So it is very difficult situation. Both of these condition is very problematic for human beings. For this, to control the flood, many steps should be taken. That embankment of the river bank. Okay, for the drought, we should preserve the rainwater, and the word is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the preservance of rainwater, preservance of the rainwater to by any way. Okay, in the mountainous area, where the slope is like this, so when the rainfall happen, it fastly go away. Right now in our surrounding area, everywhere is a concrete building, there is concrete street. So the rainwater cannot go inside the ground. So the water table is getting that is called depletion of the ground level. So by the rainwater harvesting, we should connect at least one pipe to the ground, so that and collect the water on the roof and allow to go inside the ground. By this we can maintain the water table. Otherwise we have to face the many more problem for the drinking of water. Okay, why we need to preserve this thing? Because in this 71% of the water, if we consider it is 100%, only 1% water is potable water. Potable water means the drinking water. As you can see, the ocean, it is a big water body, but it is slime water. We cannot drink these water. So only 1% water is good for the drinking. So we must protect or save the water. If water is not available, then nothing is available. So my dear student, save water by wisely using these things. Don't waste water. And one more important, drink water properly. In the absence of water, your body will not work properly. Understood? So save water, drink water, and don't misuse the water. In your school, two kinds of the water point. One water point is for the drinking only, another one is for the cleaning only. So use it properly. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.